A drone's view guided tour of Eyemouth Harbour, Bantry and beyond. NNG Operations and Maintenance Building. Eyemouth Harbour Trust Building, including EHT operational premises and Harbour Master's Office, along with Marine Directorate Scottish Government Eyemouth Fishery Office, South of Scotland Enterprise Eyemouth Office, IRD Design, Abundant Borders, and Argen Renewables on the first floor. The ground floor consists of mainly stores and some office space currently occupied by offshore wind farm related business Saipem, who are working on the NNG wind farm. The ground floor of the ice plant is operated by EHT to serve the fishing industry. The first floor is soon to be refurbished and converted into office and meeting space. Refueling and recycling area. Eyemouth's lifeboat Sheila and Helen Hastings. Gunsgreen House. Built in 1753 for local man, John Nisbet. By day, Nisbet was a local merchant, but by night he was a notorious smuggler. Self-catering accommodation and public rooms are available to rent, but the museum is currently closed due to flooding. Hopefully this will be reopened soon. Eyemouth Lifeboat Station. Nisbet's Tower, the renovated 18th century Ducot, which is now a cosy holiday cottage for two. The Red Bridge, access from Gunsgreen to the harbour side, out for repair at the time of filming. Aquamarine Charters, diving and angling. Marine Quest Dive Charters. The Glenurn Guest House. Eyemouth Marine. Eyemouth Parish Church. W.L. Collin, Bing. Eyemouth Catholic Church. The Bain Mill Bray, pedestrian access to and from Gunsgreen. The Silver Bridge. The site of Eyemouth's original ice plant, now a storage area for yachts out with the sailing season. Harbour car park and public toilets. Harbour sluice gates, currently awaiting repair or replacement. Fishermen's Mutual Association Limited. D.R. Collins Site 1. Findley's Motor Vehicle Servicing and Repairs. Herber Cafe. Harbour View Fish and Chips. D.R. Collins Site 3. Waterfront South Pavilion. Cult Fitness Gym on the ground floor. Cult Health and Wellbeing Suite on the first floor. IT Consultant and Pierside Hairdressers Salon. Eyemouth Rib Trips Mooring. Eyemouth Museum. Eyemouth Library. Oblo Bar and Restaurant. Retweed Training Centre and Shop. See the Changes Cycle Shack. Jacopazi's Fish and Chips and Gelato Parlour. Swan Court Retirement Housing. Salt Greens Residential Care Home. The Ship Bar and Restaurant and the Ship's Quarters. Hippodrome Art Space and Berwickshire Marine Reserve. D.R. Collins Fish Shop. The Contented Soul Bar and Restaurant. The Crabbit Soul, formerly Progress Shellfish. Galloway's Private Chefs. Hire and pop-up taco trailer. Eyemouth Rib Trips returns to port. It's much more fun like this though. The Cobble House, currently the home of Eyemouth Community Rowing and soon to be refurbished, hopefully. Eyemouth's Widows and Bairns Memorial Sculpture, dedicated to the bereaved dependents of the fishermen who lost their lives during the Black Friday storm on the 14th of October 1881. Loft's Home Bakery, Saffron Indian Restaurant, Eyemouth War Memorial, St. Ebba's Episcopal Church, the Co-op Store, the Home Arms Guest House, Leo Barber, the Seafront Car Park, Black Friday Disaster Memorial, dedicated to the 189 East Coast fishermen, 129 of whom were from Eyemouth, who lost their lives in the Great Storm of the 14th of October 1881. Beachcomber Amusements, Seafront Play Park, The Tavern, Northburn Garage, Eyemouth Leisure Centre, Eyemouth Holiday Park, Coldingham Sands, St. Abbs, twinned with New Asgard, St. Abbs Head and Lighthouse, the site of Eyemouth Fort, the first trace Italian fort in Britain, the Fort Point, Eyemouth's dual cannons. The barrels of the cannons are believed to date back to the mid-15th century, when the fort was in use. Coastal erosion under the dual cannons.